Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mints in Plants vs. Zombies 2. Understanding these powerful plants is key to mastering the game. We'll cover what power mints are, how they function, and the best times to deploy them for maximum impact. You'll learn to identify which mints synergize with your favorite plant setups, giving you a significant advantage against even the toughest zombie hordes. Let's dive into the strategic world of power mints and elevate your gameplay. Power mints are unique plants that provide a massive, temporary boost to all plants of their corresponding family on the lawn. For example, a winter mint will enhance all ice-based plants, increasing their damage and slowing effects. When activated, they also unleash an immediate, powerful effect, such as stunning zombies or dealing area of effect damage. Knowing when to trigger these abilities is crucial for clearing waves and protecting your defenses effectively. To use mints strategically, consider the flow of the level. Activating a mint just as a large wave of zombies appears can wipe them out or significantly weaken them. For instance, a reinforcement can instantly create a wall of defensive plants, perfect for protecting against a sudden rush. Always try to pair your mint with plants of its family already on the field to maximize the boost. Don't waste them on small groups. Save them for when you truly need that extra power. There are many different power mints, each with unique effects. For example, a spearmint boosts all spike-based plants, increasing their damage and creating new spike rocks. Compare this to a filament, which supercharges electric plants, causing chain lightning and stunning effects. Understanding these differences allows you to build a balanced strategy. Choose the mint that best complements your plant lineup and the challenges of the current level, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.